Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be headed out of Phoenix towards Wickenburg. Once we get to Wickenburg, we're going to head north towards Prescott. It was really a beautiful day in Prescott, but that means it's going to be kind of hot in Phoenix. So we started out kind of early in the morning and got to the nice weather around lunchtime.
Put a flower in your
hair.
In your hair.
What is it?
You gotta put it behind your ear. It's a little dandelion.
What's up? We're in Prescott, Arizona. It is northwest.
Why is your face always dirty?
Nutella. Nutella. So, we just took a little drive and we were on 89, which is one we did before from Flagstaff to Sedona, but we're on the southern part of 89 that we haven't done. So we took our kids and it was a nice ride today. It was kind of hot in the valley. We're at that joyful time of year where everybody else is having fall and beautiful leaves and pumpkin spice, and some places are getting snow. And we're like, yay, it's under 110.
At night.
As we got into Prescott, it got a lot cooler. It's nice here. But it'll be hot going back into the valley because now it's midday, so I think the high today is supposed to be 102. So September, October in Phoenix, it's still summer.
And Prescott's at 5,300 feet.
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
It's really nice here.
We're at the, I believe, City Hall?
It's at
Courthouse.
The Yavapai County Courthouse. And it's really beautiful. Lots of motorcycles come up through here.
It's all up.
So it's just motorcycles all over the place.
Kids were playing hide and seek. We had a little picnic on the beautiful grass in the shade.
Got some popcorn? We are in Prescott Valley. We just stopped to get gas. Now it's pretty much just highway. You're gonna highway down to the freeway down to home. It's gonna get very hot. So
remember to open your visors for some airflow if you need it.
anyway, we're gonna jump on these bikes and get back going.